The RecPro RV kitchen air fryer and convection microwave is a versatile appliance that combines the functionality of an air fryer and a microwave, offering 6 different cooking modes to suit a variety of culinary needs. With convenient one-touch functions, this appliance simplifies the cooking process, making it easy to prepare popular dishes like popcorn and pizza without the hassle of guessing cooking times. Its multi-stage cooking capability allows users to program multiple cooking stages in advance, providing the freedom to attend to other tasks while ensuring perfectly cooked meals. The included trim kit provides a sleek, integrated look in any kitchen, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your culinary space while saving valuable counter space. Equipped with necessary accessories, such as a glass turntable and grill rack, this microwave ensures a seamless cooking experience with all the tools you need. Designed by RecPro, this innovative appliance is engineered for efficiency and style, making it an ideal choice for modern kitchens.